everyone. I'm SHEIK TANZEEL. I completed my BE in Malnad College of Engineering in the field of mechanical. Recently, I got placed in a company named Sonata Software for package of 4 LPA and role is digital engineer trainee. So I joined JSpiders Hebbal Branch on 4th of August 2022. Before coming to JSpiders, I had no knowledge on many subjects like Java, web technology and SQL, but thanks to JSpiders faculties, they were very friendly and very helpful, and they helped me. They taught every concept from the scratch, and I would like to thank JSpiders HR. They helped. They were also very friendly and they provided lots of requirement. And I would also like to refer. My friends to join this JSpiders Hebbal, since your faculties and HRs are very much friendly, and they teach everything from the scratch. So I'd like to thank JSpiders Hebbal.